Welcome! If you're looking to stop those constant community announcement notifications from popping up on your Roblox app on PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Roblox has made it even easier to control which notifications you receive, so you can focus on playing without distractions. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots stacked together. Clicking this will expand a list of additional options. From the expanded menu, find and select Settings. This is where all your account preferences are managed. Once you're in the Settings section, look for the Notifications tab. Click on it to open up your notification preferences. Now, within the notification settings, you'll see a section called Mobile Push Notifications. Click on this option to see all the different types of push notifications Roblox can send to your device, including community announcements, experience events, friend requests, and more. Scroll through the list until you find community announcements. There will be a toggle switch right next to it. To disable these notifications, simply click the switch so it turns off. You don't need to save or confirm. Once you flip the switch, community announcement notifications will be disabled immediately. And that's it. You've successfully turned off community announcement notifications on the Roblox app for PC. Now you can enjoy your games without unwanted interruptions. If you ever change your mind, just follow these same steps and flip the switch back on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!